To all of you, student, in this video we will cover both chapter. Means we will cover two chapter. First is determiners and second is the pronouns. So determiners are the lesson 16 and pronouns are the lesson 17. So in this video we will cover two chapter. First is of the lesson 16 and of the lesson 17. So first of all we will see what is the determiners. So as the example is as the definition is given in the box, determiners are words which identify या specify a noun in सम वे. सो डिटर्मिनर्स वे होते हैं जो नाउन्स को स्पेसिफाई या क्वालिफाई करते हैं. दे डू नॉट डिस्क्राइब अ नाउन, दे डिटरमाइन इट, दे पॉइंट इट आउट. ऑल्दो दे डू नॉट डिस्क्राइब इट, they just determine it. So read the following phrases. The best teacher, that, cow, some milk, my dress, even. So here is the word that is given, that, some, my, every. So these are the determiners. The word in color are determiners. So how many kinds of the determiners? Let's see. There are 6 kind of determiners. First is the article. So you know what the article a and the, that a and the definitely used with the singular countable noun, while the is used with the all. Next is the demonstrative. Including this, that, these, those. These words are used for indicating something, that like this is my pen, that is your house, these are boys, those are girls, this kind of things. Next is possessive. Possessive means my, your, his, etc. So here is the possessive determinants, as like this is my house, that is your house, this is his pen, this kind of. Next is distributive, as like either, or, neither, nor, each, every. This kind of sentence included in the distributive determinants. Next is quantifiers. Quantifiers means some, any, much, many, several, etc. These are the words that is included quantifiers. Next is the interrogative. So according to interrogative, what, which, whose, etc. These are the determinants that is included under interrogative. So student, after that there is only exercise that I will send you to the homework. Now let's see what is the pronouns. Pronouns is the next chapter of the lesson 17. So let's see. I hope you all aware of the pronoun, because this is the also the part of the verbs parts. So it is also in your previous year syllabus. So let's see what is the pronoun. As the definition, a word that is used in the place of a noun is called a pronoun. So Anushka said she lost her earrings in the garden. So here see, that is the underline. She is used for the Anushka, so she is the pronouns here. Vedant said that he would help her look for it. So here underline words like he, her, it. These are the pronouns. He said that it was so small that they should both look for it. So here underline word like he, it, they, it. These are the pronouns. So pronoun are the word that is used at the place of noun. So there are so many kind of pronouns. Let's see one by one. First is the personal pronoun. So what is the personal pronoun? Personal pronouns are pronouns that take the place of persons or place. So let's see. They can be used as subject or object of verbs. As like she showed us some pictures of Japan. So as like I, me, you, he, his, she, and show, or these are the personal pronouns. Next is the possessive pronoun. What is the possessive pronoun? The definition is given. Possessive pronouns are pronouns used instead of nouns to show possessions, relationship. As like this book is mine, we thought the bat was ours, that book is mine. This kind of words as like mine, ours, yours, his, her, theirs. These are all also included in the possessive pronouns. Next is the reflexive pronoun. So what is the reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronouns are those pronouns in which the actions done by the subject reflect upon it. They are formed by adding self to personal pronouns. So example is given as like the thirsty crow quenched its thirst itself. So here itself is the, what is the itself? It is also it is also coming into the reflexive pronoun. So myself, ourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves, so on. These kind of words comes under the reflexive pronoun. Next is the emphatic pronouns. So what is the emphatic pronoun? Emphatic pronouns are pronouns that are used to show some emphatics, as like they themselves pushed the cart up the steep hill. Next is he himself cleaned and polished his shoes. So student, don't get confused by the reflexive pronouns and the emphatic pronoun, because reflexive pronoun comes at the last of the sentence, while emphatic come in the after the subject in the sentence. Next is a demonstrative pronoun that is used for demonstrate something, as like as the definition is given, demonstrative pronouns are pronouns used to demonstrate, as like to point out something. These are the places you must visit in New Zealand. So these, those, this, that, this kind of things, yeah, words, these are the demonstrative pronouns. Next is the indefinite pronoun. So what is the indefinite pronouns? A pronoun which refers to a person or things only in a general way without particularized is called an indefinite pronouns. As like one must take care of one's language, all are enjoying the show. So this kind of thing is indefinite because there is nothing definite there. So as like one, none, all, some, other, somebody, someone, something, that is not definite form, that is come into the indefinite pronouns. Next is the relative pronouns. As the word is indicating relate to something, relates. As like the book which you gave me is the excellent. She is the girl who stood first in my class. The boy who met me is my brother. This kind of word come in the relative pronouns. So next student, what is the next is the interrogative pronoun. So what is the interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronouns are pronouns that are used for asking questions. As the word is himself indicating something. What would you like for dinner? Who is the author? So who, whom, whose, what, which are called interrogative pronouns, and when this come at the last there is a question mark, as you can see here. So student, now there is only the exercises that I will send you through the app. So till then you revise and learn this both chapter, because I have taught two chapter in this video. Lesson first, that is lesson 16 for the determiners, and the lesson 17, that is the pronouns. Thank you.